Hi guys, so for today's video we're gonna unbox Cola's new toy. So we got this from one of the online shops. This is a running wheel and Cola's gonna run to it. He's gonna use it. She's gonna use it. Our Cola's gonna use it. And we've noticed that she's been just sleeping for quite a while now. So we need to take care of her health as well as me, because I'm doing the kettlebells now. So we've got her the running wheel. I don't know if it's called running wheel or running something, but come and join me and unbox this, guys. Wow. Cola, look, come on. Cola's hiding under the bed. So this one has a running wheel. It's a running wheel and it has 2 containers for the food, and it's got 3 ladders. Oh my goodness, this is very hard to assemble. There's plenty. I think I'm gonna be up until midnight tonight. So this one is for the track. Guys, look at this screw. Oh my god. Oh my god, what are these for? What are these? Oh, there's a screwdriver. And look at the wheel, it's so big. So we will put it here beside this plant, because this plant is not toxic to her. Oh, and it comes with a glove. I'm gonna be Billy the Builder. Alright, come on. Papa's gonna be a builder tonight. This is step 1. Okay, next. First one. This one here. For those who have cats there, can you show me, can you put down in the comments what are the toys that your cats have? So right now, Cola has plenty of toys. This one, she loves this one. This is one of her favorite toys. So she catches the ball even though she couldn't really catch anything inside because it's stuck. And then Cola has this ball and it's moving, but she doesn't like that one. Her favorite toy is this one, the bird. So this is out of battery already, but I'm gonna look for a new battery because this one chirps. And this one is like a pretzel. Cola loves this one as well. Cola, come on, let's play. This is one. Okay, the picture is here. And
welcome to Billy's life. Come and join the ride. Every day is an adventure with good vibes by my side. From the kitchen to the open road, share stories wherever I go. Cooking meals made with love and care, creating moments that we can share. Joys in every bite and every day with all my might. Come along, let's make it fun. Every journey has just
Step one.
begun. Billy's life, cooking, travel, and a beautiful life. Billy's life, making every moment shine so bright. Helping people, spreading smiles, sharing happiness mile by mile. Billy's life, welcome to my world tonight.
I'm gonna use
Traveling places near and far, following dreams like a shooting star, meeting people along the way, learning something new every day, giving back through community service, helping others with a heart, your purpose. Together we can make a change. One small act can go a long way. Oh, let's celebrate life. Oh, keep the passion alive. Come and see the best version of you and me. Billy's life, cooking, travel, and a beautiful life. Billy's life, sharing stories that inspire your life. Community, friendship, and dreams that is better than it seems. Billy's life, let's make every moment count tonight. Billy's life.
So I found a video on YouTube doing tutorials of how to make the cat treadmill. So first you need to put the tox inside of the hole so that the screw can go in. And then I put the arch all together and make it like a big wheel. And then next is you set up the base, because the base is the foundation of the whole treadmill. And then you just have to watch the YouTube carefully, one by one, step by step, and then that's how you make it. It really takes time for this one to make. It took me 4 hours to make this one, but the absolute surprise and the satisfaction after you made it is so amazing. It comes out very good, and our cat loves it. Cola loves it so very much, and it comes also with a mat inside the wheel so that they don't scratch the wall or the plank. So let's see the final result. Hi guys, so after 4 hours, finally this is the final product. I'm so amazed with it. Cola loves to jump in it. So there is a little hole you can go inside, and this one is like a staircase going on top, and there are 2 containers for the food, and this one is a running wheel. Cola will love it so much. Cola, come on, you look at it, Cola. It's really amazing, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Bye. So I'm almost finished now, guys. This is so amazing. Cola, would you like to try? You try. No. Come on, Cola. Cola, come on. Come on, you run. Come on. Come on. Come on. Look. Hi, Cola. Try and run. You're so excited. She's been watching it. Come on, hop on. Hola. on, hop on, Cola. Did you like it? Cola? Did you like it? Come on, look. Wow. Wow. Come on, you hop on it. Don't you want to go there? Look.